let's talk a little bit about the money. I think one of the more important things for people to get into YouTube, which is a lot of people think they'll become millionaires, right? And in a lot of cases, it may not be false. I mean, if you keep going on and you strategize properly, you know, making $1 million off of YouTube is not that hard. But how do you make money? Tell me a little bit about, are you doing everything that you're doing full time? Or are you doing something on the side as well, you know, for the money to be coming in? And I'm specifically asking you from a YouTube or video content side of things. I know that you have businesses as well. Maybe you can give us a quick idea of what percentage of your total income may come from businesses, but the content that you're creating, how is that helping you make money?
Well, when I was monetizing, it was helping me make money because I was creating content that didn't exist. It was the same thing when I started macro photography. No one was photographing cannabis with a macro lens. So suddenly here I am, a guy that has access to thousands of grows across Canada and the world. I'm constantly invited into grows, even well before it was legal. And I have trust. People trust me. So that was a big thing as a photographer. When you photograph illegal grow ops back in the day, your success rate is how people either tell people to, yes, he's safe to use, or no, he's not safe to use. So taking photos at a grow and then leaving and having that grow be busted, it's not a good look. You want to make sure that when you go photograph something like that, that it stays safe after you leave. So I'm aware of things. I'm smart. I'm not an idiot. I don't go and, not that I even smoke joints, but I don't leave a grow smoking a joint in my car while my camera's sitting on the front seat. These are certain ways that you can, and now this doesn't even matter anymore because it's so legal now, especially in Canada. We have federal adult use, we have federal medical. But when I started all this, we did not. I was walking on a rocky road.
Absolutely.
But, you know, if you look at the most successful YouTubers, you know, there's always a kind of a unique, different, I mean, Casey is an editor. Casey is a professional editor. He edits movies for a living. So that's how, I don't know if you ever saw the video he did where he decided that there was a huge tsunami in the Philippines, and one of the movie companies had sent him 25,000 US and said, can you make us a trailer? And he was just like, you know what, I think I want to take your $25,000 and I'm going to do a little documentary and I'm going to take it to the Philippines and we're going to feed thousands of people. And they were like, all right, let's do that. So what an incredible thing that he did. Think of the amount of movie trailers in the world. Is it really that important for us to see a trailer for a movie? Or is it more important for us to feed people and take care of people? True. Like that to me was, and so Casey was kind of a big inspiration to me. He got me into the drones. He got me into creating videos that weren't boring, that I could talk, you know, like this, and then all of a sudden now we're in beautiful nature. Now all of a sudden there's macro photographs. Now there's a drone shot. Now there's more macro, and all of those transitions combined started making my videos worthwhile for people to watch.